She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Hey, I'm here. Today I'm putting together my monster baby. This is Veins. And Veins is available for you. Putting together the body. I am putting in the cable ties. You have to make sure that the cable tie, I like to line it up with the back, the flat part. Can you see that? This is the flat part. Hold on. The flat part. Oh, man. Can you see? Well, it's flat. It's like the flat part. Let's put it in. Putting it around the neck. And my dog's drinking with his sound effects. Lord God. Slurp. His name's not Slurp. See, this is the back. See, it's flat, not the bumpy part, and you stick that through there. And there we go. And now I'm going to do the rest of the arms, the legs, and I'm going to put this monster together. Chubbs, you're making horrible sounds. Anyway, it's hot out still. It's September 19th. What's going on in your world? Send me a message. Let's see if this ends up with the flat part. Nope, I gotta turn it around. Yeah, this monster baby's ready. He's gonna be born today. There's the flat part. Stick it in. I'm gonna stuff him or her up, whatever you want to make it. If you want to buy it, please send me a message. About $675. Thereabouts plus shipping. My babies are one of a kinds. See this one? Little horrible things. I will add some glaze to his lips. And that dries pretty quick, so if you want this baby, just let me know. Anyway, so what's going on in my world? Just crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. What can we talk about here? I don't know. This weather. I think that this weather, being that it's almost the end of September and it's this hot, I think the earth has tipped. Yep, it flipped, tipped. And we're going to be warm probably till December. And then we'll probably be cold until June. Yeah. So I am just getting this through this body. This is a dose-weight body. And I'm trying to get this through the body. Once I put this baby together, you'll see this baby. Tell your friends if they want a monster baby, I can make them a monster baby. I can make custom babies. I can make memorial babies. I just received my silicone. He's sitting on the table. I have 2 extremely gorgeous silicone blanks here. And this is giving me a hard time. Sometimes when they have the seam here, see this seam? When you're trying to send the cable tie through, it doesn't want to go. So anyway, I'm going to try again. I'm going to keep trying. The arms are done, the head is done, and this is giving me a hard time. So here we go. I wish I could talk to you and hear you, but I can't because this is a video. I'm not live. Maybe I'll go live on Facebook when this baby's done. How's that? Today is Wednesday. Good old hump day. Look at this seam, is driving me crazy. Look, I don't have the patience for being watched while I'm not having patience, so I'll be back.